What is up, peeps? Back to this beautiful forest again. As you can see, we had tons and tons of fun. I really hope you guys love the gameplay. Let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy.
Pirus argainzre. Ama wagde. Oh. Ama wagde ertika. Ertiki.
So far, I've been loving the novritsch ghilie more and more each game. Players can get really close without having any idea where you are. After getting some sneaky kills, I reloaded, checked my camera and decided to flank. Me and my teammates successfully flanked them, but there were only 2 enemy players left alive. One of the enemy players was causing a lot of trouble. He had a really good position and I couldn't get a shot, so I decided to flank him. Unfortunately, there was another enemy player. I was spotted. He didn't shoot me because he was close, so he just called my hit, which is an awesome thing to do. Well guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys love these forest gameplay videos. I'm making a new sniper setup soon that's gonna be completely different from this one, and I can't wait to show it to you guys. Hope you guys had fun. New videos coming soon. Until then, Skillshot out.